With the launch of the 19th Disturbance-Free Educational Zone Demand Day campaign, Desam President Oinam Ramesh called for united action to protect education from outside interference. The movement began outside Chawiaima Higher Secondary School, where students from both Chawiaima and Little Star School gathered to chant slogans. Speaking to media persons, Ramesh urged the immediate removal of all disruptions affecting students and teachers, specifically targeting the monetary demands made by local pressure groups. The president also criticized the government's negligence of public education, citing severe staff and infrastructure shortages at Chawiaima Higher Secondary School. He pointed out that the school lacks its own entrance and shares a gate with the 31 Assam Rifles, forcing students to seek military permission to enter the campus. Ramesh also questioned whether the government wants to nurture or exterminate education sector.
Education the government politicization. Sahi amada class ta namit masing sani kundagi tara. Taba. Sahi amada class ta namit masing sani kundagi taba. Government na matam sana thabak. Government na matam sana thabak. Ozagi posting amada transfer policy da senja tunja taba.
Ngasi pauda education sida 2026 aura aba pauda pagi Chawiaima Higher Secondary sida magi leibam thokpa infrastructure de horakanda magi leibam thokpa oza masing de horakanda magi pibam thokpa lab ki karigi everything hasi gumba mayam sing ase matik sari bra aikogi lenga loi sing jinau ji 2026 aura pauda Chawiaima Higher Secondary sida moini yengiba miyeng ase masi matik sari bra sigumba mayam sing ase masi asigum laba aikogi committee sina thengariba mayam sing ase masi di matik sari haina aikogi makai de lawai asigumba thawong mayam sina lengak sina matam chana thawak paikat piu makoina matam chana thawak paikhala pa matam dadi lengak loi singse miyamna khoigi awang thak ikai khumna gadam ni tobu tobu hojik laiba aikogi education minister de horakanda education ki portfolio pairiba chief minister de horakanda makoina education de yengiba miyeng ase kari no haibse committee ki wang ni yengu makai khudi makta apha vibe sima leite aduna hojik laiba aikoi Chawiaima Higher Secondary sida jo gate sida phauda army sing thamjalakanda central force sing thamjalakanda mama amba oibe singje lakpada aduki matik disturbance ohelini